If you really enjoy our videos, please consider subscribing and supporting us through Patreon.
Today we are visiting an abandoned brewing company campus that was used before Prohibition. This is one of those times when I'm exploring alone, so I have to stay pretty quiet. I'll narrate and tell you a little bit about the history while I'm walking around. It all started with Leopold Schmidt, a German immigrant and brewmaster that settled in the western United States. Leopold chose this site to build his brewing facility that originally included an ice factory, a cellar, and the original 4-story wooden brewhouse, all built in 1896. But the brewhouse you saw in the intro actually replaced the 4-story original one in 1906. All the way down. He chose this location on the Puget Sound because the water produced electrical power and there was an artesian spring on site that was the perfect supply for beer. Hence the Capital Brewing slogan, "It's in the water." It was about this time that the company changed its name from the Capital Brewing Company to the Olympia Brewing Company after its most popular product, Olympia Beer. The brewery was a huge success. Well, it was until 1916 when the state of Washington adopted Prohibition statewide. Production and the use of the property ceased. There's another floor. I don't remember what this guy's name is. He's like a donkey. I'm probably butchering it. Disney fans are probably not thrilled at this point. What's the name of this guy? I think he's like mopey and sad. I think he was somebody's kid, and that's why there's a stitch line down his head. Or a kid's stuffed animal. Or I could have made all of this up in my head, and I have no idea who this character is. But whoever drew him did an awesome job. Ooh, this is where all the sexy windows are. We got arched windows. We got skylights over here. Where a stack must have used to go out. And my favorite type of window. Round windows. Round are by far the best. Man, there's a lot of flies up here. It's kind of weird. And some newer boards propping up a staircase. The staircases, I guess it might not be bad. I mean, it's definitely not secured at the bottom. And I don't think it's secured at the top either. I think it's just sitting there. Yeah, see those nails? That's a steel beam. They don't go anywhere. Looks like they probably cut the stairs off to keep people from going up there. Oh wow, this is beautiful. The hole in the floor is super concerning. There's the building they're protecting. That's beautiful.
While from the outside, the brew house might look like the original headquarters or office building, it's actually a functional brew house, as you can see here from the original plans. This old brew house was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1978. And in 2016, the property was donated to the town, who actually started restoration efforts. They got as far as spending millions of dollars fixing up the old brew house. But then in 2020, after those restoration efforts had already started, someone set it on fire. Now the brew house sits surrounded by cameras and boarded up, waiting to be restored.
We made it.
After Prohibition, the Olympia Brewing Company built a brand new factory in the area. Since then, this property served many purposes over the years, from cabinetry manufacturing to storage, often vacant for long periods of time.
Looks like that's the way down. These windows are huge. I mean, these windows are so big. They have to be at least like 12 or 13 feet tall from where I'm at. So if I'm here, there's like 12 or 13 feet or 15 feet above me that's windows. It's madness. Place is huge. Got a couple dock doors here. Probably for deliveries. My guess is this was the warehouse. I hear something over here. We'll check that out next. It's like right there. Oh no. It's right here. Look at that. That's awesome. So check out these windows. The transom's on the top. Gorgeous. There's only one left. And these doors are in amazing shape. Even with graffiti, they're in amazing shape. Clean this up. I would totally put one of these in a house. I wonder what this room was used for. It's huge. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but this is a whole lot of concrete. And there's just not that many studs in the floor. So this is what I'm talking about when I say stud. So that's usually a good clue on what a building or part of a building is used for. So if you had these, 8 feet apart on one end and 4 feet apart in a square, there's a good chance it's like a large diesel generator or a large pump or something like that. But this, there's almost no studs other than around I see there's some studs there. You can see the outline of a frame or something, or a guardrail. And then it goes down another floor. And it goes up to here. And remember, don't fall, folks. See, it's hard to say what this was used for. But there's some stairs down over here. They drop these pipes down in here, so nobody falls out. Well, you know those big beautiful doors I was talking about earlier? Somebody threw one down the stairs. I mean, it'd still go down that way, but there's also stairs right over here that we just passed, so I'll go down those instead. Look how big this branch is coming in here. It's like blackberries. We survived the bush. What's interesting is somebody just recently cut this. Like, you can see where somebody cut it off. So either somebody wanted to eat berries while they walked around an abandoned building, or it was probably like property maintenance. I can go to the building behind the one that has cameras. I'm in like a marsh that I have to try to get through without getting soaking wet or seen by the camera. Oh. Shoe full of water. Looks like there was a fire. Hence the danger tape. Looks like somebody set the stairs on fire, or set the board on fire, so they could get through it as they boarded it up. I mean, seems like you're risking burning the building down, or burning the stairs down, which the stairs are super garbage up here. Look at this. That beam, gone. Yeah, they definitely burn it from the bottom. Looks like there used to be stairs here. You can see the all thread hanging where it would have connected to the stairs and went down. That's my guess. And that makes sense, because then they were able to board that up and go down those stairs and then take those stairs off. Little did they know someone would set fire to the stairs to get through the board. All right, let's head back down. I think it's that time to get out of here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, follow me on Patreon, follow me on Instagram at OOccupied on Instagram. Until next time, be safe out there.